Hello everyone. So in this lecture, let's talk about application of strain gauge. Strain gauge technology has practically unlimited uses in the field. It can be used to test vehicles, ships, hulls, dams and oil drilling platforms, etc. A simple engineering application use strain gauge technology is to install strain gauges on structural components in bridges, buildings to measure stress and compare them to analytical model and stress calculation, right? Field testing needs differ from laboratory testing needs because of complex shapes, geometries, axes and environment. In many instances, new testing devices have to be designed and manufactured to match the requirement application, right? For example, let's take the example of measuring soil pressure changes near an oil drilling rig may require custom strain gauge technology to proper capture and subtle to properly capture the subtle changes in pressure distribution. In addition, field usage requires that sensor be portable, that it should be power available, and that measurement is repeatable. Uh, Here are some of the examples which have been listed for strain gauge technology in the field. The first example is the aerospace application, right? The use of strain gauge technology in aerospace application has a long history. Strain gauges are bonded directly to the structural load bearing components to measure stresses along load path for wing deflection. Wired into Wheatstone bridge circuits, strain gauges in aerospace application include onboard signal conditioning units, excitation power supplies, and the telemetry necessary to read in situ measurements. Okay. Uh, Monitoring bridge cables with strain gauges is another application. So most of the bridges must be accessed in the field for structural damage, and this may involve viral visual inspection, dye penetrant testing, and other techniques. However, these techniques can miss structural problems like the one that caused the failure in Minneapolis steel truss bridge in 2007, and it killed 13 people. In that case, 16 of the gusset plates connecting the truss failed. Smart bridge technology, which includes use of strain gauges, allow efficient and effective real-time monitoring, making inspections more thorough. Beside being used in the rebuild of Minneapolis Bridge, strain gauge technology is also used in smart bridge programs elsewhere. For example, Sing Ma Bridge in Hong Kong is outfitted with more than 350 measurement channels, sensing speed and strain on cables. That is wind speed and strain on cables. Strain gauges may also be used to telemetry to monitor bridge response to overload or speeding trucks, or to measure displacement. Wireless telemetry can be used to transmit the data collection via Ethernet, right? The next example would be rail monitoring with strain gauges. The use of strain gauge technology to maintain rail safety also has a long history. As just one example, strain gauges may be installed in places where a rail line is placed atop a mine. Subsidence related ground shear requires that expansion switches be installed in rails, so strain gauges and temperature sensor record and log data are fixed intervals. When a reading exceeds predefined trigger, an alarm is dispatched via ordinary text message so personnel can respond quickly. Fine. Next application would be torque and power measurements and rotating equipments. Strain gauges are used to measure the torque applied by motor, turbine, or engine to fan, generators, wheels, or propellers. This equipment is found in power plant, ship, refineries, automobiles, and industry at large. Power is obtained by measuring the strain and rotational speed of on the shaft. Equations involving strain diameters and material properties are used to calculate applied power using in situ measurements, and physical calibration may be performed on site, right? These measurements are used to determine operational curves and to troubleshoot equipment when not operating optimally. Okay. Now, in conclusion, I would like to say that strain gauge technology is valuable for innumerable field testing operations across many industries. Sensing System is able to put strain gauge technology to work in field testing where no existing device is available commercially. In many cases, we can remove and instrument existing components, perform laboratory calibration, and reinstall of for field testing. Okay, so these are the applications of strain gauge. Thank you.